Hello. So, a wonderful day in Altendietz. Let's start with the first project. So, Ronnie Skrifka. I do not know, is the video out when this video is out? I guess so.
I don't think so.
Okay, so then we do not drop it in the workshop Wednesday because that would be bad. So we just stop over here. On this V6, there is another video which is coming out. At the moment we're just doing the electrics. Don't be worried. So this cam cover is silver, but the black one's just over there because we just have had some fitting issues. We just do the wiring, ECUs down there, CAN bus converters here. Battery will be in this car located in the front, so to get to be a bit more easy on the wiring. That will be pretty cool. I think that will be an amazing car from the looks. Cobra is like it is, and the go-kart is like it is. So yeah, we have here the ITBs are mounted. Is this video out?
This should be out.
This should be out. Okay. So then yeah, it's like it is. You know, the trumpets are on, and all that stuff is done. So cool. And what we got over here in the workshop, we got a V8. Just fitted some different cams. So, but this is nothing special for the guys from the States. So it's a LS in an MX-5. So this is mainly this daily business, I guess, in the States or anywhere else. Here over is crazy. We have an ND here, short rear swap axle, white line sway bar kit, where's inspection, our catch can system including rerouting the OEM manifold. So yeah, cool project, and finish tomorrow. So. NA turbo conversion for a TOV build with our COP conversion but without the fitting blade. Our catch can setup, TDO4 conversion. It's pretty, we did a lot of that conversions, but this is actually a conversion which is out of business because we do not get the turbochargers. Headers are a nightmare, all that stuff. So yeah, Hendrik basically did a little bit of work on this one. We're not as far as I thought, but yeah, hopefully we just get in doing some more progress tomorrow. So it's a GBC turbo, so really nice, tight, small turbo from Garrett, but with a lot of power. Yeah, this will be interesting. So because this is the new Garrett turbos, which we're doing now, and this will be really cool. This is one of the TOV cars. This is actually the car where the video is coming out. And we have our little rotary. Let me show you guys a video. Everybody knows that. So Nico's rotary car. I think this is actually, yeah, the serious business in there. But we have some compression issues, so we just have to get the engine back out. So this is one of, yeah, Nico is a guy is working here, and actually one of my right hands. So yeah, and he building that car since now 3 years.
Or 6?
6 years. 5 years. 5 years, 6 years, 3 years. So yeah, it's like rotary guys know what we're talking about. So and yeah, we just have some. Yeah, we just have to get the engine out, and we'll have another look to it. So this is funny. These guys over here, they're just fitting a MX-5. Is it 6-speed? Yeah, 6-speed transmission.
Yeah, 6-speed.
6-speed to the NC. So this is also a turbo conversion, which is also with a GBC turbo. So this is really nice. So we have no water lines, all that stuff. And yeah, here we have also GBC turbo, 2-liter engine. I think for my idea, is the perfect combination. We will see how it will work, but I'm pretty confident that this is again these turbos. You do not have to run any coolant lines from the water to it, and yeah, we just did 2 conversions already with them. No water.
No water.
No water.
Ah, shit.
No water. No water. And yeah, so this cool conversion. What do you think? How long will it take to finish it up? Und wie lange wird es dauern, bis wir starten?
Das?
Ja?
2 Tage noch.
Okay, so 2 days left, and then we just start. And I'm really, yeah, we have fitted the big RX-8 rotors in the back and also in the front. Up there it's not finished, but here you can see it. This is the intercooler actually, oil cooler setup. Our radiator. Yeah, so this is cool. And yeah, this is the big NC RX-8 brake swap, also pretty common in Germany. So yeah, pretty cool. So this will be a cool car. So this is one also of the TOV cars, but we could not do back in the days a lot of dyno testing or whatever. So this is something we will see afterwards. And that car, when it's mapped, yeah, we just make a video about it. I think we will map it with WeatherTune, so this will be also pretty interesting because we did not do it before. Yeah, and yeah, we did some work on the 727. So actually, the 727 went smaller. So yeah, this is the rest of the 727. Yeah, so we made it more tiny. That yeah, no, just joking. So this is actually the monocoque itself. We just now do all the fab work and we glue it together and all this stuff. So we're also doing some progress here. So yeah, not too bad at the moment, and we have lots of work out there. But it's like 2 degrees out there, so we will not go out. Yeah. So as you can see, we just do some projects. We are building some cars and doing our best to give you some information. But one thing, we just go backwards. I would show you some little things or some engines in the engine department, which is probably interesting for you guys.
There are coming some videos out soon.
Yeah, I think so. This is a matter of time from you, not from me. So we are so way in front with all the work. Yeah, we have a VVT engine, freshly. Yeah, we made all the seals new. This is for one project where is a video getting out. Yeah, and then we just have some disassembled 1.6, 2.5s, 1.8s, LFX, 1.6, 2 liter, VVT head. Yeah, so some cool engines. And yeah, we will see how fast we get them back together and what we will do for the next videos. But I think there is some cool stuff. Yeah, we will show you in the next videos. I will get you some idea of differentials. We're using mostly CAS or Cusco, how we fit them in, how we make I think the English word is backlash. So how we set it up and why we do use different setup types, especially for the power. So yeah, they're coming up some cool videos, and see you in the next ones. Bye.